Alright guys, so what we have here, these are the Icon shock relocation kit. You have to weld this on to the vehicle. So basically this is for a third generation 4Runner, and this is for the rear. So this goes here like this, and then let me show you, it goes onto that 4Runner right here. So I'll show you in a bit how it'll look like. So basically what we have here is we have the shock right here, right, and then basically what the owner wants to do is he wants to relocate the shock relocation kit here. He wants to relocate the shock here. So what we're going to do is we're going to weld this onto this, and then once that's done, I'm gonna paint this, and then he'll have to move the shock here himself out to the outside. And so if you do research on this kit right here will add stability onto the 4Runner as you corner or off-road. So that's why a lot of people do the shock relocation kit here. So it's going to be right here. I'm going to shave this off, grind this off with a flat disc, and then after that, well, I'm going to weld this on as well, because all it is it doesn't come welded. So that's what we have to do, guys. So let's go and weld this up. After that, we will grind this off, tack it in, and later burn it in. Okay, so let's go do this. Alright guys, so this is how it looks like. It's smoking hot. Let me get something to hold this. So this is how she looks like welded. There are other kits that comes in pre-welded, but this one right here, focus. This one I have to weld on the underside as well. So we're going to do the same thing to that one.
có than trao liếp lòng là cho nhẹ nhẹ là tia lu lu tại môn tu cho tôi trao buông sông mơ bè club cha buông cha lo ba lo chỉ cho sao giờ cả lu chê chạy biết sự cả lu chê chưa buông đời còn lu chê có sự trong ta.
Okay guys, so I got this one welded as well. So this is how the bead looks like. It's not the best bead, but it'll hold here and here as well. So I'm gonna go and grind the frame there, and I'll show you how I'm going to weld it. Okay, so the grinding is a no-brainer, so I'm not going to show you how I grind. Alright, so grinding this up. Basically what we're going to do is I drew this little pattern here so that I know exactly where to put this. Like that. Okay, so she's burned in. Show you how it looks like. So she is all burnt in down below too. So she is ready on this side. I won't do the other side for you to see, but if you see this side, the other side is the same thing. Okay, so she is done on this side as well. Underneath as well. And I'll show you on the other side. Here, she is done right here. So let's spray it black, call it a night. So this is how she looks like, all painted up. It's still dripping wet, so that's why you see the bright shiny paint. This is how this side looks like. Like I said, still dripping wet. So that's that. Let me know what you guys think. Fun project. Quick. About an hour and a half to do this. Fun, fun, fun.
More got to care.